It looks like I'm still showing that it is expired. So what would you like to tell me today about the infraction?
Well, I'd like, Your Honor, if the court pleases, to certify the bond of subrogation, if you please.
Verify the bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you, so what would you like me to have certified?
The bond of subrogation.
What is the bond of subrogation?
You don't know?
Why don't you inform me? Is there a document that you have?
I can have the Justice Department send you one.
For what?
The bond of subrogation.
So a subrogation agreement,
Subrogation is a bond.
correct?
That's a bond that you place on my name.
I
And,
have not placed any bond on your name.
well, this municipality most likely has.
You are Alan Lee Waddell.
Correct.
Okay. And so there's,
See, when this court is, if you hammer me, all that money in that bond goes to the IMF.
there is no bond. There's an infraction with a fine amount. So if that's what you want to tell me today, we're here for a contested hearing. I
I'm
haven't
sorry,
heard
Your
anything
Honor,
that
latches and curs. Are you familiar with the Constitution?
I,
Latches
I
and
am.
curs, right? I motion to dismiss
Okay, motion to dismiss on what grounds?
on grounds that you do not know what you're doing. I'm sorry, Your Honor, you're supposed to know the law.
Okay.
Latches and curs.
All right. What legal authority do you have for your motion to dismiss beyond you don't think I know what I'm doing?
And will come from the Justice Department, Your Honor.
All right. You were stopped on February 25th, 2026?
According to Eric, the Kelso cop,
Okay.
is he present?
Did
Is
you
Eric
subpoena,
present?
did you subpoena him?
I did, and
Did you file
I
proof of
also, did
service
you
of the
receive,
subpoena?
excuse me?
Did you file proof of service of the subpoena?
I did. I filed a notice of liability.
That's not a service
It's,
of
it's
proof of service.
Before we continue, notice what's happening here. The judge keeps asking for evidence and legal authority, but the defendant continues relying on sovereign citizen arguments about bonds, contracts, and government authority. The problem is that none of these claims address the actual charge in front of the court. At the end of the day, judges decide cases based on facts and law, not internet legal theories. And unless something changes quickly, this hearing appears to be heading toward a very predictable outcome.
it's a certified sign. It's a signed affidavit.
What
You should
signed
have that.
affidavit do you?
You're supposed to be in your possession.
I have it.
Okay. Have you read it?
Yes, I
It's
received it.
notarized.
Okay,
It's a notarized affidavit.
Indiana Bill of Rights, none of this is binding on this court.
Those are case law, Supreme Court case law. Standing.
Indiana Article 1 Bill of Rights is not case law.
Well, we're applying it to
We are not
you.
applying Indiana Bill of Rights to Washington
Your name
District
will
Court.
appear
All
here.
right. Mr. Waddell, I have in front of me the officer's narrative indicating that he stopped you on February 25th, 2026, driving a maroon Chrysler PT Cruiser on the northbound 1400 block of South Pacific Avenue with its
Objection, Your
left
Honor.
and center brake light not functioning, initiated the traverse stop, identified himself verbally as Alan Waddell, stated he left his insurance back at his house and was unable to provide proof of insurance. The check of his DOL showed that it expired September 22nd, 2022. The photograph on Waddell's DOL record matched the driver, confirming his identity, and he issued the infraction. And you were warned about not having
I
insurance and not having brake lights active. All right.
I informed the officer, Your Honor, at the time that there is no contract. The contract, the license, which is a contract, has expired almost 5 years ago.
Yet you were driving
There is no
on,
contract.
you were driving on a public road. Okay, I'm gonna find the infraction committed
no
at the
bearing,
full
Your Honor.
amount of $564. You will have
And
60 days to either pay in full or set up a payment plan.
I will sub this, and
What was that?
I will have to recommend it. I must recuse you, Your
Okay, you
Honor.
can file that with you
At this
can
point in
make a
time.
motion, but I've made my ruling at this point.
I'm motioning for a mistrial, and I'm going to recuse you
Okay, I'm
from this case.
denying those motions as they are not timely nor relevant at this point.
Under the
So your infraction
Constitution,
has been committed. If you would like to file motions to
you are in
appeal
direct
this,
violation
go
of the
ahead.
constitutional rights, Your Honor.
All right,
You
Mr.
are
Waddell, that'll
committing-
be all for today. All right, number 16, Robert Warren is present.
Well, that outcome should surprise absolutely no one. The court focused on the evidence, the expired license, and the applicable law, while the defendant focused on arguments that courts have rejected time and time again. The result was a full finding against him and a substantial fine. It's another reminder that sovereign citizen theories may sound complicated, but in real courtrooms, they almost never succeed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Courtroom Breakdown.